Master the pronunciation of gnocchi with this guide Gnocchi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to pronounce the word gnocchi. Gnocchi is an Italian dish made of small dough dumplings, often crafted from potatoes, flour, and eggs. It's soft, chewy, and absolutely delicious, but saying it correctly can be a challenge for many English speakers. The spelling might trick you into saying guh-nok-ee or nock-ee, but the correct pronunciation is actually NYOH-kee. Let's break it down. Nyo, like the beginning of New York, and key, like the word key. Together, Gnocchi. Try saying it slowly. Nyo-kee. Good. Now say it faster and naturally. Gnocchi, gnocchi, gnocchi. This word is commonly heard in Italian restaurants or cooking shows, so pronouncing it correctly will make your speech more polished and globally aware. Let's try it in a sentence. I'd love a plate of gnocchi with pesto sauce. Say it with me again. Gnocchi, gnocchi, gnocchi. Excellent job. The gen combination in Italian sounds like the Spanish and or the ni sound in canyon. It may feel strange at first, but practice makes it easier. Repeat after me a few more times. Gnocchi, gnocchi, gnocchi. Keep in mind, the more you hear and say it, the more naturally it will come. This word also helps improve your ability to pronounce other Italian food names. So keep practicing. Now your turn. Say it loud and proud. Gnocchi. Awesome work today.